got out of bed and I need to make myself a matcha to get myself going for the day. And I'm gonna do some Pilates. I also have a meeting at 12:20 for my internship. So we got a busy morning ahead of us. Let's go make our matcha. Time for Pilates. I've been doing the 25-day challenge by, her name's Izzy something. I'm trying to get into a routine and habit of working out every morning. And I'm telling you this, I'm only on day 2 and yesterday killed me. But I'm excited to work out today and feel good, all the good vibes. Just got done with my meeting for my internship. I'm sorry I didn't film anything. I was in such a time crunch. I feel like I was running behind. I kind of want to show you. I want to show you guys my outfit that I have on. So I'm just wearing this basic black long sleeve. I need to lint roller it. And then I have these Adidas capris. I actually cut them and hemmed them myself. So happy. And then I just have on my silver ballet flats. These bangles I think are from PacSun, and then this necklace is from Urban, and these hoops are from Brandy. Need to go run a few errands today. Of course I'm gonna go to the thrift store, and then I need to drop off a couple of Depop orders as well. I'm trying to get myself into a routine now that school is back in session, and I feel like a routine just makes me feel more level-headed, if that makes sense. It makes me more productive. Just being organized, having a to-do list every day, and just a good solid routine, I feel like just makes me so productive. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays are when I work my other job, so those days are just kind of like my whatever days, but my off days, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays and Sundays, I'm just trying to get myself into a routine of like waking up, working out, you know, doing my errands, filming, stuff like that, doing homework obviously. This is like a really nice bomber jacket. just picked up two things. First, I just got these little Adidas sporty shorts. I feel like these are gonna be so cute, like with my ballet flats in the summer, a good basic tank, some jewelry. And then I also just found this little H&M top. It's nothing special, but I thought I would maybe get some wear out of it in the summertime. Like a brown stretchy material, and it's got these little seashells on the front. I thought it was kind of cute. But yeah, only found two things today. That's okay. I'm gonna make a run to the post office to drop off some Depop orders. Just sold this zebra print notations top. It's like a poncho kind of cape like little coat. Then I also sold this April Dendy, I think is the name of the brand. It's a gorgeous, stunning vintage yellow lace skirt. Unfortunately, it just doesn't fit me, so I had to sell it, but it's seriously so gorgeous. So I'm happy she's going to a good home. But let's go drop these off. Figured I should probably pick up my vlog camera and vlog a little bit. I just went to Goodwill again. What's new? And I got a few little goodies. Let me show ya. I think I'm gonna post both of these on my Depop. I don't know. This skirt, look how cute. First of all, it's so cute, but I just don't know if it's really my style, but I also like really like it. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna resell it. Isn't it just gorgeous? It's just the most girly little floral skirt. So perfect for spring and summer. It's a vintage brand from Exact Change. Here's the tag. It's so cute. It might be on my Depop. I don't know yet. And then I also found this little purse. This one will be on my Depop. It's in perfect condition. It's like a leather alligator print, crocodile print or whatever. It's very like sturdy too. And it's got a bunch of little silver studs. It's just so pretty. I'm pretty sure it's like never been used. The brand, I was trying to like look at it and I don't know, it's MC. I've never heard of this brand, but yeah, so cute. This will be in my Depop. I need to make something to eat. I've been trying to get in a routine of eating breakfast in the morning, but sometimes I'm really just not hungry. I also like to fast a little bit during the day and then eat at night. It's bad. I need to like get a solid diet down, but these have been my favorite ever. It's just the instant oatmeal and it's so good. It's so easy to make. It takes like a minute and yeah, they're so yummy. So I'm gonna make this. This is the apples and cranberry one. And then I have a doctor's appointment at 2:30. It's just a telehealth visit. So, and then I have some homework to do later. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a gorgeous day outside. So I'm gonna try and just get outside a little bit. Here's my little outfit. Just have on my New York tee from Brandy and then just my little white sweatpants. Very comfy, very casual. Good morning, guys. My hair is a little crazy right now. It is so windy today. I forgot my vlog camera at home, so I am filming on my phone, but I need to get a few groceries. So let's go into Aldi's. I don't have like a list or anything, so I'm going in there kind of blind. So I'm just gonna grab a few things and call it a day. Never go to the grocery store hungry because I did not get a few things. I got a lot of stuff. But $77 later, not so bad. I am set for a little while. I literally just kind of got random stuff because I didn't make a list and I'm in desperate need of groceries and I'm out right now. So I went in totally blind and I just got a bunch of random stuff, but it's fine. If you guys have any easy, healthy meals, let me know. Let me know because I feel like I always struggle to find good, healthy recipes that are simple. I feel like a lot of the healthy ones kind of just, there's just a lot to it. I just want something easy because I'm a full-time student and I work and I have a lot on my plate. So any easy recipes that you guys have, let me know. Okay, we're gonna do a little grocery haul. Like I said, I went in there so blind, so I just got a bunch of random stuff. Starting off with my favorite, my Cheetos, very healthy. We have my favorite cookies, very healthy. Then I think I'm gonna make spaghetti tonight, so I just got some spaghetti noodles, some cereal. I got pancakes for breakfast. And then I also got these protein bars. I haven't tried these ones yet, so I'm really excited to try them. And then of course, some mac and cheese. Just got some blueberry bagels. We ran out of mayonnaise, so I got some mayonnaise. Then I just got some garlic mashed potatoes and 4 cheese mashed potatoes. Some butter. We ran out of butter. Hash browns. Some ground beef. This is like the really lean one. Some chicken breast. And I just got some lunch meat. Some turkey bacon. Cheese. And then some vanilla yogurt for my yogurt bowls. And then I got the tomato, basil, and garlic sauce for spaghetti. Some raspberries. Some strawberries. Some oat milk. Yummy. I always put oat milk in my matchas instead of regular. And then of course some syrup. That's my little grocery haul, you guys. What do you think? Very healthy, right? But yeah, like I said, if you guys have any healthy, easy recipes, please, please, please let me know. Today is kind of like a really gloomy day and it's super windy outside, so I think I'm just gonna chill. I do have some homework to do, so I'm gonna do that, and then I think I'm just gonna take it easy today. I just made some blueberry bagels with honey butter cream cheese. Okay, let's give it a little taste test. I'm so freaking hungry. So good. I'm probably just gonna chill and watch Friends for a little bit, chill on my phone, get some work done on my phone. See you guys in a little bit. Currently making my spaghetti and I'm so excited. It smells so good. It smells so yummy. I doubt that I'm gonna be able to eat all of this. It always loaded up with Parmesan cheese.